What if you had to choose between the future of driving and a legend that never fails? Today, we're comparing Tesla and Toyota across their most popular models with real numbers and facts. Stay till the end, because the final verdict might completely change your decision. Tesla Model S versus Toyota Camry. The battle between the Tesla Model S and the Toyota Camry is not just about two cars, it's about two completely different philosophies of driving. On one side, you have the Tesla Model S, a fully electric luxury sedan that feels like it came straight out of the future. On the other, the Toyota Camry, a gasoline-powered legend known for reliability, comfort, and practicality. Let's start with performance. The Tesla Model S delivers instant torque, meaning the moment you press the pedal, the car launches forward like a rocket. We're talking about 0 to 60 mph in as little as 3.1 seconds for standard models and even faster in performance versions. Compare that to the Toyota Camry, which takes around 7.5 to 8 seconds depending on the engine. That's not slow, but it's not thrilling either. Tesla clearly wins in raw speed. But speed isn't everything. The Toyota Camry is built for everyday life. It's smooth, quiet, and incredibly easy to drive. The suspension absorbs bumps beautifully, making it perfect for long road trips or daily commutes. Tesla, on the other hand, feels more like a tech machine. The ride is firm, and while it's comfortable, it's designed more for performance than relaxation. Now let's talk about fuel versus electricity. The Tesla Model S runs completely on electricity, which means zero fuel stops. You charge it at home or at a supercharger station. On a full charge, you can get up to 400 miles of range, depending on the model. The Toyota Camry uses gasoline and gives around 28 to 39 miles per gallon, depending on whether you choose the hybrid version. The advantage of Toyota is convenience. You can refuel anywhere in minutes. Tesla requires planning, especially on long trips. Interior experience is where things get interesting. Tesla offers a massive touchscreen that controls almost everything: music, climate, navigation, even games. It feels like you're inside a smartphone on wheels. The Toyota Camry, however, keeps things simple. Physical buttons, a traditional dashboard, and a user-friendly infotainment system. Some people love Tesla's futuristic design, while others prefer Toyota's simplicity and reliability. Safety is strong in both cars. Tesla uses advanced autopilot features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Toyota also offers safety systems like Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision systems and lane departure alerts. Both are excellent, but Tesla pushes further into semi-autonomous driving. When it comes to cost, the difference is huge. The Tesla Model S starts at a much higher price point, often above $80,000. The Toyota Camry, on the other hand, is far more affordable, starting around $25,000. Maintenance costs also differ. Tesla has fewer moving parts, but expensive repairs if something goes wrong. Toyota is known for low maintenance and long-term durability. In simple terms, the Tesla Model S is for those who want cutting-edge technology, speed, and a futuristic driving experience. The Toyota Camry is for those who want reliability, comfort, and value for money. Tesla Model 3 versus Toyota Corolla. Now we move to a more realistic comparison, the Tesla Model 3 versus the Toyota Corolla. These are cars that millions of people actually consider buying. The Tesla Model 3 is Tesla's most affordable car, but don't let that fool you. It still delivers incredible performance. Even the base version can go from 0 to 60 mph in about 5.8 seconds, while performance variants drop that number to around 3.3 seconds. The Toyota Corolla, meanwhile, focuses on efficiency and practicality, taking around 8 to 10 seconds to reach 60 mph. One major difference is driving feel. The Tesla Model 3 feels smooth and silent, almost like gliding on air. There's no engine noise, no gear shifts, just pure electric power. The Toyota Corolla feels more traditional. You hear the engine, you feel the gears, and for many drivers, that familiarity is comforting. Fuel economy is where things get interesting again. The Toyota Corolla offers around 30 to 40 mpg, making it extremely fuel efficient. But the Tesla Model 3 eliminates fuel completely. Charging at home can be significantly cheaper than buying gasoline, especially over time. Technology is another big gap. Tesla's software updates constantly improve the car, adding new features over time. It's like your car gets better every few months. Toyota's Corolla offers solid tech, but it doesn't evolve the same way. Interior space and comfort are surprisingly competitive. The Model 3 has a minimalist design with lots of open space, while the Corolla offers a more traditional and cozy feel. Both are comfortable, but Tesla feels more modern. Cost again plays a huge role. The Toyota Corolla is one of the most affordable cars in the world, while the Tesla Model 3 is significantly more expensive upfront. However, Tesla may save money in the long run due to lower fuel and maintenance costs. This comparison really shows the shift happening in the car world. The Corolla represents decades of proven reliability, while the Model 3 represents the future of driving. Tesla Model X versus Toyota Land Cruiser. This is where things get powerful. The Tesla Model X and the Toyota Land Cruiser are both premium SUVs, but they serve completely different purposes. The Tesla Model X is all about innovation. It features falcon-wing doors, a massive windshield, and lightning-fast acceleration. Yes, even an SUV this big can go from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds. That's supercar territory. The Toyota Land Cruiser, on the other hand, is built like a tank. It's famous for durability and off-road capability. This is the kind of vehicle you take into deserts, mountains, and extreme conditions. It may not be fast. It takes around 7 seconds to reach 60 mph, but it's unstoppable in tough environments. Range and fueling are again very different. The Tesla Model X offers around 330 miles of electric range. The Land Cruiser relies on gasoline and can go long distances with quick refueling. For remote areas, Toyota has the advantage because charging stations may not exist. Interior luxury is strong in both. Tesla focuses on futuristic design and tech, while Toyota focuses on comfort and rugged elegance. The Land Cruiser feels like a luxury tank, while the Model X feels like a spaceship. Safety and features are excellent in both vehicles. Tesla includes autopilot and advanced driver assistance, while Toyota offers strong safety systems and proven reliability. Price is high for both, but Tesla is usually more expensive depending on configuration. Maintenance also differs. Toyota is known for lasting decades, while Tesla is newer but requires less routine maintenance. This comparison is simple. Tesla Model X is for tech lovers and city drivers, while Toyota Land Cruiser is for adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts. Tesla Model Y versus Toyota RAV4. This is one of the most popular comparisons today because both cars dominate the compact SUV market. The Tesla Model Y offers strong performance with a 0 to 60 mph time of around 4.8 seconds. The Toyota RAV4 is slower, taking around 8 seconds, but it focuses on efficiency and practicality. The RAV4 hybrid is especially impressive, offering excellent fuel economy while still providing good power. Tesla, however, eliminates fuel entirely and offers a range of around 300 miles. Driving experience again differs. Tesla feels smooth, fast, and futuristic. The RAV4 feels reliable, comfortable, and easy to handle. Interior design follows the same pattern. Tesla is minimalist with a large screen, while Toyota offers a more traditional setup with physical controls. Cost is a major factor here. The Toyota RAV4 is much more affordable, making it accessible to a wider audience. The Tesla Model Y costs more upfront, but may save money over time. This is one of the toughest choices for buyers today. Both vehicles are excellent, but they appeal to different lifestyles. So now the choice is yours: future innovation or proven reliability. Comment below, Tesla or Toyota, which one would you pick? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful car comparisons.